How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the hard drive from a Dell Latitude E5540. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide tabs outward to release and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unscrew and remove caddy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.